Hello everyone, in this Premiere Pro tutorial, we are going to create before and after wipe transition like this. So let's get started. Open Premiere Pro and import a video clip to the timeline. Then find a frame where you want to apply the wipe transition, and I am selecting around here. And select the razor tool and make a cut like this. And again move to the move tool. Now drag this layer to the above layer like this. And go to the Effects tab. And search for the effect called 10. And drag and drop it to this layer like this. And again go to the Effects tab. And search for the transition called wipe. And drag and drop it to the top layer like this. Now you will find an error like this, so let's fix it. Select this layer and drag it to your left side like this, until the transition get covered like this. Now the error is fixed. You can change the duration of the transition by dragging like this. And I am keeping it something like here. Select the transition and go to the Effects Control tab, and change border color to white color. And you can change the border width according to your need. And I am selecting a value like this. And let's have a preview of the transition. And you can change the angle of wiping by clicking on any angle like this. And let's have a preview of the transition. So we have made the wipe transition, so see you in the next video. Till then, good luck.